Hello and namaste everyone, this is Vishal Ratsa. Today I have came to Avicenna Batumi Medical University to get you some of the shops and full blog on the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. So guys, let's get tuned in the video and let's explore the university and have a quick tour of the university. So guys, let's go and explore the university. So guys, this is the amazing entrance of the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. You can see here is the security options. Here is the security guard of the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. So guys, let's move and explore the other floors and more and explore the university. So here is the lift of the university, and this is the mentioned. This is mentioned like which floor what we have. First floor we have like Department of Family Medicines. Second floor we have like student place, Department of Nuclear Medicines. Third floor we have like teaching and research laboratories. Fourth floor we have Avicenna Batumi Medical University, rector's office. Fifth floor we have Batumi Medical Hall, like lecture hall, Avicenna's. And sixth floor we have like medical academy. So guys, now first we are going to the sixth floor to explore.
The door is closed.
Now we are moving to the sixth floor. You can see here.
Floor 5. The door is opening.
So guys, in the sixth floor we have like tennis table, pinball here. Even we have the chessboard. You can come here and play the game. We even have the books and everything. Here are the tables. You can study here and enjoy the time here. And coming to us here, so guys, here are the certificates for the university and everything. We can see here are the lectures hall of every types. So guys, here is the beautiful views from the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. This is the like balcony of the university, and this side we can see the Batumi Sea from here. It's really a quite beautiful views from here. Here is the view from the university. So guys, we are in the fifth floor and we have here to explore. You can see the room 501. It's like international relationships and strategy planning service, PR and marketing service. And here we have like a small room like continuous professional development center. So you can see here a small room. And yeah, now let's move to another room. So guys, this is an Gallon auditorium. Let's see how is it. You can see the so beautiful infrastructure and the models for the studying of the medicine. This is like circulation of the heart. So guys, this is like demonstration of the portal vein, circulation of the portal vein. So guys, this is a specialist auditorium. You can see this is how like students are taught here, different types of models of every human body parts. And yeah, amazing room. We have the projectors also, a smart board. So guys, this is the PVL room. You can see the tables and the boards, different types for the practice and the writings in the board. This is another small PVL room. Here we have the Hippocrates lecture hall. Let's see, go and explore. So this is the smart board, and as you can see, we have like stepwise seating arrangement, so the average students can get focused to the board and the teachers, professors, and yeah, it's really amazing. We can see from here the whole classroom. So guys, this is an amazing lecture hall of the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. You can see, and this is the smart boards, projectors and everything. So guys, this is the lobby area of the 5th floor, where you can sit here and relax and also study and have the small talks with your friends. Yeah, let's move. So guys, here we are in the now 4th floor, and now let's explore what we have here in the 4th floor. So here we have the reading hall. So guys, here is the proper setup of the computers in the 4th floor of the reading hall. So guys, here is the OSCE class, and the class are going here. So let's not disturb. So here are the robots for the practice. So guys, here is like the child mannequin for the practice. How can we perform on the bodies of human body. So guys, here we have like different types of OSCE classes for the average scenario. So we have like different types of practice. Here are the proper instruments for the practice for the students, for the medical students. So guys, this is the another OSCE room. So we can see the different types of models for the practice. So guys, it seems this is for the practice for the emergency case. We have every types of OSCE room. Here we can see where we have like the defibrillations machine, and also we have like ECG machine here for the practice in the emergency case. Here we are in another OSCE room. I guess we can see like for the practice of how like child is born during the pregnancy, and here we have the like child models too. So guys, this is the another cardio room. You can see the models for the practice for the cardiology. So we have like a simulation room out here. Here we have the anatomic table room where we can study like the human body from the anatomical way in here. Here is like a smart table where we can study in 360 degree and study the anatomy of the human body properly at here. Now we are in the 3rd floor, teaching and research laboratories, and now we are heading to the 3rd floor to see what all we got in the 3rd floor. So here we have the reception desk for the 3rd floor, and yeah, now heading to us the we have the like even the gym room in the Avicenna Batumi Medical University for the physiotherapy and all you can see, and yeah, we can have the sports similar to for the practice and for the exercise out here. And yeah, now you can see here we have the some for the cycling and the treadmills, and yeah, for this is for the walking, and that is the treadmill. So we have got this all activities in the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. This is the corridor of the second floor, and now at here also we have treadmill out there, and so we can have exercise. We have the like balls for the practice, and yeah, this is the room. Here we have the beds, and also we have the boxing pads out there, and yeah, we can interaction with the patients. Every mask disposable, like gloves and everything at here. So these are all for the basic studies for the medical. And yeah, now coming to another room. So here is so patients will sit here and doctor will take the records for the practice and all. So this is for the test during the medical studies. You will be taught how can we take the physical test of the patients and the children. So these are for the development and test of the children. So how the children the tests are performed, we have been taught here. Yeah, they are another room for the patients to sleep and for the check and test. Yes, and these are the instruments. In every place we have gloves and instruments. So this floor is basically for the children's, how the physical examinations and their mental ability and everything is tested, and how can we perform the test on the children's. So they have the room for that. Yeah, you can see the children will be placed here, and they are for the how to do physical test on the children's. So here we have the staircase also. We are now moving towards the second floor to explore. So this is the radiation area. Most of the children are not allowed here. So here we have done the X-rays and everything. So everything which is radioactive materials are here. So this is the radioactive room inside for the X-rays machines, and everything must be here. So we can see the radioactive signs here. So we are not allowed to go. So we can see the second floor is basically for the nuclear medicine apartments, where we have the radiation area. So we are able to go. So this was just overview. This is the first floor, and this is the place for the reception desk of the Avicenna Batumi University. And yeah, that was the full tour of the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. So guys, that was the full tour of the Avicenna Batumi Medical University. Hope you all liked this video. So please do like, share and subscribe if you like my video. And